Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and this is today's tip of the day. So I want to show you how you properly pivot. This is very helpful for people with knee problems already, can be arthritis or meniscus problems or meniscus tears. And actually, sometimes doing this incorrectly can cause your meniscus tear or ACL tears. So now I want to show you how to properly do a pivot, okay? So a lot of times when we try to turn, we keep our foot planted and then we turn this way. So the whole foot is kind of sticking to the floor and then we're turning. When you do that, you can see all the torsion or the torque will be on the knee. So what happens is it will twist your knee. You don't want that. Now, how do you pivot properly is you want to be using the ball of your foot, because the ball of your foot, once you have the heel off the ground, you'll have a good way of turning. So it's kind of like turning like a top there. So what you want to do is, if I'm turning to my left, I lift the heel off the ground and I can actually turn this way. All right. And then to the right, same thing. I can lift this off the ground and then turning this way. All right. You can lead with the other leg, but at the same time, when you're turning, you see the pivot goes on the ball of the foot. Okay. So that's one way to do it. The other way will be if, let's say you had a surgery or you're really having a lot of pain, and even this one doesn't really give you a comfortable way of doing it. What I tell people is then they start taking baby steps. So you have to pick your feet up. So let's say I'm turning to my right. I want you to just pick your feet up and slowly turn to the right. And if I'm turning to my left, same thing. Pick your feet up and take baby steps. That way, you're not putting unnecessary twisting on your knee. Okay? So try that out and see if it does, help you. And please feel free to leave your comments below, and feel free to share this with your friends and family. Bye.